Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to contact Shein customer service. First, open the Shein app. Then tap on Me from the bottom menu. Here you can see the option of support. Tap to open it. Now you need to select the service in which you need help. But if you don't find your required answer, tap on Customer Service from here. It will take you to this page. Here you can make your query to the Shein customer team. Just type your query and tap on Send. They will answer it. And if you need more help, tap on Contact again. So this is how you contact Shein customer service. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.